want to be always young, beautiful, and active. Today's world is concerned with youth and performance. The elderly are perceived as useless or a nuisance. We are afraid of aging, so we prefer not to think about it. But the aging belongs to life. Even old age is a great gift. In Scripture, old age is the sign of God's blessing. We can gain a lot from the old through their experience, wisdom, and insight. Their weakness and vulnerability leads us to consideration and patience. Their loneliness and pain teach us compassion and mercy. Their prayers hold us. We don't even know how.